Alright everyone, we are back at Suds, and today we're going to check out their touch-free wash. And because I'm not stupid, I'm going to be on the inside of this one because I don't want to get absolutely soaked from the outside and get cold and all that. So, I'm not going to walk through this one. If you guys want to see a walkthrough of the touch-free, you can watch my video on the soft touch. But we're gonna check it out, so I will see you guys in just a second to go through it. There's your receipt. Now let's check this out. Should get an undercarriage spray. We get some kind of bug application for the front. That's always nice. Mm-hmm. Nice coverage of the pre-soak so far. Oh, very nice coverage. One thing I think that's left to be desired is a sign that tells you what it's doing.
Well, to be fair, it's not great visibility right now.
Fair enough. Still would be nice.
Yeah.
Because you could always run the wiper and then you'd have pretty much perfect visibility.
True. Although the chemicals have run down a little bit and I have better visibility now, so I can see your point.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Very nice pre-soak. Ooh, and it even has a little spray bar that goes down towards the grill.
Mm-hmm. Chemicals are really important. I think they did a great job applying chemical.
Yeah, 100%. Not much wasted either. Oh! Getting some kind of rocker panel blast along with the trifoam. That is powerful. Wow. Ooh, the trifoam smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
That is impressive pressure. That is some serious pressure. That is crazy. Ooh, here comes the wax. Actually, I'm not sure what this is. I don't think the wax works on this one. Huh. That's sad. I think they ran out of wax. At least on this bay. That's sad that they ran out of wax. Well, if you're coming here currently, don't go through this bay. Oh, we're given the green.
It's the left bay.
Yeah, the very far left bay. So yeah, that's the touch-free wash. What did you think?
You know, as far as the wash went, I think everything except the wax was perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, as far as a quality wash, I feel like in a touch-free wash, this was probably the best I've ever had on a touch-free.
Yeah.
So the wax part was kind of a disappointment, but everything else was excellent.
Yeah. So yeah, that is L-Dub's Suds. The touch-free washes are good.
Oh, and can't forget, they even gave these out. It's a free dash wipe, so you can clean your dash, which we kind of actually need. So that was a nice addition, unexpected.
We don't take care of our dash very well. But yeah, if you want a touchless wash, do come to L-Dub's Suds. But for now, only go through that bay for the touch-free, because the bay, like I said, the bay that we just went through doesn't have the wax. So you're not really getting what you paid for. But other than that, it's a 10 out of 10. Very, very good wash. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and happy washing.